Hello, welcome. What you're about to see is not for the faint of heart, because I will call this, what I took from Futurama, is the scary door. Success. Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Underdog Eats, I'm not confused, and I watched the 141st episode, I think, of the Twilight Zone, Season 5, Episode 22. Yes! This episode was different from the others. It was very different. Wait. Oh. I thought it was maybe a slash in my carpet. Anyway, why it was different is it didn't look very Twilight Zone-y. You know, usually something weird happens or stuff like that, but this one was pretty tame actually. So, like I said, it was different than usually. So let's start. We start off with we've seen Rod, Rod Sterling, the narrator and one of the creators of Twilight Zone. He's sitting next to the camera and he's talking to us. He is a bit explaining what we're about to see, He says it's something French, a French take on something at Owl Creek Bridge or something like that. It's busy. I know exactly what the title was, but he explains it a bit, and now we see an order. It's we see an order hanging, and then from a distance we see a bridge with two guards, each walking back and forth. Well, we only see them, around here when they're about to cross each other. But I think that, they keep walking back and forth like that. That's, the most logical thing I can think of. Then we see, then we hear a bugle playing, a bugle like from the military, that, like that. The most familiar tone that you can play on a bugle, and now we see a guard standing somewhere upon a rock with, well, I think it's guards, but it's probably soldiers. It's 1864, I think. That says it on the order, April 4th, 1864. But it's probably a soldier with a gun, a musket, with a bayonet at the end. And now we see 7 or 8 soldiers crossing a bridge. They cross the bridge, they stand in a line, and a guy is about to be hanged actually. But when we saw him being hung, his rope was way too long, so he went into the water. But we're gonna leave it at that. If you want to know what's gonna happen next, you have to watch the episode yourself. Season 5, episode 22 of the Twilight Zone. Go watch it yourself. But yeah, it's just different than the usual Twilight Zone, I don't know how to explain it, but I found it different. And it was... that was... I will give the high 2, low 3. Yes, it was not that good actually. But the twist at the end was, well, that was kinda nice. But, you know, overall, it was not that good. You know, for me, in my opinion. Go watch it yourself, make your own opinion, and then put your opinion down below in the comment section, you know. Don't forget to leave a like, recommend software to remind you of Twilight Zone, you know, in the comment section. And subscribe to the channel. Definitely subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for another episode of The Twilight Zone. And a new Leslie Nielsen movie. You know, also apparently I should have watched An American Carol on July the 3rd. That was the most closest that I came to July the 4th. 4th of July, I mean, which, you know, obviously it's American, you know. So I should have watched it then, but I didn't. Yeah, I didn't look in my agenda, so, or my calendar. I didn't look on my calendar, so too bad. Maybe I'll find another 4th of July movie. Who knows? We'll see then. If not, too bad. But I'll see you guys next time. Later.